Okay, today's video shows how to delete your Facebook account. You might want to delete your Facebook account so that you can stay away from social media to increase your productivity. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, click on the three dots right here. There's three dots. Okay, now locate settings. Then go to personal and account information, account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion. I'll just select this one, delete account, continue to delete it. Okay, you can just say, give a reason. You can just say that I no longer find Facebook useful, something like that. Then continue to account deletion. Okay, just check everything here. Delete account. Enter the password to confirm the process. Continue. Okay, confirm permanent account deletion. Delete the account. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you log into Facebook within the next 30 days, you will have the option to cancel the deletion and retrieve any of the content or information you've added to your account. Okay, now you've successfully deleted the account. Facebook will give you a feedback so that you can stay away from Facebook if you want it. But if you want to come back to Facebook, you can still create the account and process everything. Thank you guys.